To turn your photos into stunning digital painting with oil pen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left and then tap style. Next, swipe the style thumbnail section to the left until you find oil pen. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more pronounced the brushstroke texture and painting-like appearance become. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, the oil pen effect has been added to your photo. As a note, transforming your photos with the oil pen effect adds an artistic touch and giving them a classic and hand-painted look. This feature allows you to turn ordinary pictures into stunning digital painting in just a few taps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.